Today, the man accused in the 30-year-old cold case murder of April Tinsley is headed to court.
This morning, April's mom is sharing the questions she still has for the suspected killer. Matt McCutcheon here in the studio with us this morning. And Matt, it's a day really of conflicting emotions for this family. I mean, going through so much. It's been 30 years since this happened.
Now, on one hand, there's relief that someone has been caught and is arrested, but on the other hand, it really just takes you back to 1988 and the questions that mother still has this morning. That includes, what would a 38-year-old April Tinsley be like? For Janet Tinsley, she'll never get to know the answer to that question, as she was robbed of her daughter 30 years ago. This week on Sunday, those emotions came rushing back as she learned detectives finally cracked the case.
She'll feel, goes from top of your head down to your toes, and it's like you want to believe it, then you can't believe it.
We're learning 59-year-old John Dale Miller is facing murder and child molestation charges. Those just came down from the Allen County Prosecutor's Office after his arrest on Sunday on preliminary charges. So he will now appear in court again this morning to answer those formal charges. What is still up in the air and the big question so many people are wondering is if he will face the death penalty. And we're getting Janet's thoughts on that. We're working to break that down for you coming up here in our next half hour of Sunrise.
And is she saying anything about Miller?
One thing she really talked about yesterday, she wants to know why. Why did he pick her daughter? Why did he do the things he's accused of doing to her daughter? So she really said that's the overwhelming question she has is why. Something she may never get to know. And at the same time, she's also debating whether she'll go to all of his different court appearances, because this could be several months to years before an end result, even a verdict.
Right. Just so tough reliving all of this, but at the same time, perhaps getting some type of closure. Matt, thank you very much.